Good day, my dear students. I welcome you to another SS1 class for English language. And I want to remind you, or I want us to go over what you must have learned even in the primary school or in the GSS 1 to 3, parts of speech. Why is part of speech very important for you in SS1? Why is it important? You will discover that from SS1, when you are given a passage, after the passage, you are given some words to replace. You are given some words to replace. The examiner underlines some words in the passage. And towards the end, he asks you, give another word that can replace the word you are giving. In other words, if the word you are giving is a verb, you must find another verb. If the word you are giving is an adjective, you must find another adjective. If the word you are giving is a noun, you find another one. That's number one. If the word given to you is in present tense, if it's a verb, you must also give present tense. If it is past tense, you must give past tense, and so on and so forth. Thirdly, if the word you are giving is a noun and you give an adjective for it, that will be wrong because it will not fit in. And you discover that some words, they look alike, but they have the same meaning. And you have some words in English, you can use them not only as a noun, you can use the same word, can be used as a noun or a verb. And that's what I want us to examine, that you could play with a word. And if you check your dictionary, you will see once a word is given, you are giving the part of speech of that word. Okay, this word is an adjective, it's a noun. So let's start. If you look at the word blow, we are going to see blow as a noun and as a verb. Now, I gave him a blow. I gave him a blow. A blow there is a noun. Blow there is a noun. So take note of that. Now, look at the next one. The storm was blowing. The storm was blowing. Now, the way blow is used there is used in past continuous tense. Was blowing. Was blowing. So you can see the word blow being used not only as a noun but as a verb. That's one example. Take note. So you look at the context of the word. What shows you there that that one is a noun? You have the word a something. Okay, what shows you that it's a verb? Was blowing. Okay, look at the next word, book. Book. Now, if I say read only good books, read only good books. Okay, there books will be a noun. And then we were booked for the healing. We were booked for the healing. Here, booked is not a noun but a verb. Okay, this is how you can get the meaning. Number 3, you have the word bridge. Okay, we saw a hanging bridge. A hanging bridge. Bridge here is a noun. Is a noun. Now look at the next one. It bridges a canal. Here, bridges here is in a verb, third person. It bridges a canal. Okay? Look at the next word, calm. Calm. I walked in the calm of the evening. In the calm of the evening. Calm. Okay? And then look at the verb, my word calmed his anger. My word calmed his anger. Which tense is that? Calmed. That is past simple tense. Calmed. So look at this. In the calm of the night, okay, my word calmed his anger. So all these words are used not only as noun, but they can also be used as a verb. Am I communicating? Cheer. Loud cheers greeted us. Okay, we cheered the players. Okay, we cheered the players. Loud cheers greeted us. You can see cheers and cheered there. The next word, color. Color. Okay, its color had faded. Its color has faded. Okay, look at the next one. The picture is colored there as a verb. Is that clear? Then you have cut. He had a nasty cut in his face. Nasty cut. Then cut the rope into pieces. Verb here, noun. Verb, noun. Verb, noun. So the next word is face. He had a fine face, a fine face, and then we had to face the storm. We have to face the storm. So you can see that example of words used as a noun and as a verb. You have the word feast. We enjoy the feast, noun, and then our eyes feasted on the charming scene. That's also a noun. That's also a verb, rather. Look at the word fish. I caught a big fish. Fish, fish, fish. Noun. Then he was fishing for a good chance. He was fishing for a good chance. Okay? Look at the next one. You have the word head. Put a cap on his head. Put a cap on his head. My name headed the list. My name headed the list. Hold. I had him in my hold. And hold your tongue. You can see that. Hold your tongue. I had a hold in the tongue. This is very good for you to practice. I'm going to give you some words which you are going to find out for me later on. You have the word iron. Okay? As a noun, iron is heavy. And then as a verb, who irons your clothes? Okay? Land, and you have this one is a land of what? A land of beauty. Land of beauty. Then the crew landed in somewhere. Landed, a land. Okay? Then you have the word on the board, man. Man is immortal. So, man is mortal. Now, then that manned the spaceship. Well, a verb. Okay, the essence of this is to show you that a word can be used in two places. It could be used as a noun, it could be used as a verb. It's for you to look at the context and give the meaning, or look at the environment of the word and give the meaning. Look at the next word, mark. John made his mark in life. His mark there. If you look at the way mark is used here, it's used is as a noun. Okay? And then look at the next one. I marked him well on the field. I marked him well. Marked here. So here is a verb. Here is a noun. Here is a noun. It's a verb. Look at this. Here is a noun. Here is a verb. Okay? Then look at the word M-I-N-D, mind. Mind. I know my mind. Now, my mind. I know my mind. Okay? Mind. Now. Then, mind your duty. Okay? Mind, mind. The same word used as a noun. The same word used as a verb. Race. Race. Let us run a race. There, a race is a noun, and then those both were racing, verb. Okay? Is that clear? And then you have refuse and refuse. The pit was filled with refuse. Here it will be refuse. Here the same word. And then you have I refuse to see him. Here, refuse, here, refuse. And then, salt is used in salting fishes. Look at that. Salt is used in salting fishes. Now, let's quickly go over this noun and verb. You see that we have, you must have learned something. Now here, you have blow. Blowing was blowing, blow, blow was blowing, noun, verb. Number 2, you have book, you have books, and then you have booked. There, you can see. Then you have bridge as a noun, bridge as a verb, bridges. And then you have calm, calm here. Then calmed here. Then you have chair here, then as a noun, and then as a verb. Color, okay, as a noun, colored as a verb. Okay. Next, you have cat as a noun. Then you have cut as a verb. Then you have face as a noun. Then face as a verb. Feast as a noun. Our eyes feasted as a verb. Fish as a noun. Then it was fishing as a verb. Okay? Head as a noun, headed as a verb. Hold as a noun, hold as a verb. Okay? You have hold as a noun and then hold. Now, and then you have iron and land and so on and so forth. Now let's go to the assessment for today. All you have to do is this. Use the following words in sentences, not only as a noun or also as a verb. You have the word scale, second, ship, shoulder, silent, silence, smell, spirit, spoil, spy, stamp. You see that you can, if you look at this word, they can be used not only as a noun, they can also be used as a verb. So study them and use them in sentences of your own. Once you finish, you have the address on your screen. Send it to me and I'll send the answer to you. Have a good day.